So here's how to fix Google Chrome sync paused error. So let's get started. I know this can be frustrating that your Google Chrome cannot sync with your Gmail account, but after watching the full video, you will know how to solve this problem. So let's get started. First of all, what you can simply do, go to the three dots on the right upper side and then tap on the settings. And then from here, you need to select the privacy and security option. Alright, then scroll it down until you find the site settings. Alright, so tap on the site settings and then again scroll it down until you find this option called additional content settings. Tap on that again and then scroll it down to the site like on device site data. So you will need to find this option, or you can simply search from your settings, which is on the upper side. You can search from here also. Alright, now go to this option and simply you need to select this option, allow sites to save data on your device. So you need to select this option, then scroll it down. If this most of the cases this will solve your problem, but if not, then you need to go here and then simply tap on the add button right upper side. So tap on the add and then from here you need to type in accounts.google.com like that and simply tap on add. Then simply close your Google Chrome application and reopen it. Most of the cases this will solve your problem of the sync paused, but if not, then simply again go back to the privacy and security option and then from here you need to go to the delete browsing data and then simply go with the all time and delete all your browsing data and cache, which will help you out for solving this problem. So I think this might help you out in many ways. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and have a very good day.